All right, let's unbox this bad boy. Your Starlink kit comes in a sturdy box. Inside you'll see the Starlink dish itself, which is really kind of rectangular. It's affectionately called Dishy. A Wi-Fi router, a power supply, and somewhere between 50 and 75 feet of cable, and a quick start guide. Super simple assembly. No fancy tools needed beyond a drill and a ladder, and maybe a few cable clips. Total cost to me was $40 a month for this residential service. So step one, download the Starlink app on your phone and open it up to the Check for Obstructions page. A scanner that you point at the sky wherever you think your dish is going to be placed, and literally you just search the entire sky. You can see the little green dots there flying in and filling up the progress bar. As you go around, if you're pointing at a part of the sky that you've already pointed it at, no more of those green dots will be found because they've already been found. And so you just keep on looking and searching till ultimately 100% of the sky has been surveyed. Now, the one thing you want to be sure about doing is make sure there's no trees or buildings or anything that can block the signal. Be aiming for an open, north-facing area. Also, in winter, you want to avoid spots of placing the dish where snowdrifts can pile up. I mounted mine on this post, completely wide open. Once you've got your obstructions clear and you can see that you're in a really good spot, you can go and unpack the dish, attach the mounting base, and then mount it in a secure spot. You can go ahead and connect the cable to the dish. Once it's connected, go ahead and use those cable clips and route the cable to indoors to wherever you're going to have your router and power supply placed. With that indoors now, all you can do is plug the cable into the router's WAN port, connect the power supply, and power it on. In the app, you create an account, pair your device, and let it do its configuring. The app is going to let you know if you have good alignment or not with the satellites. And mine was off about 20 degrees-ish or so. And so I just had to go fine tune it a little bit. And then it tells you, boom, 100%, you're right where it needs to be. And you're good to go. Once you're all plugged in, you're actually running. You can fire up the Starlink app built-in tester. It clocks these continually. Here's mine. Then after everything was all set up, our storm hit. We had 6 or so inches of snow from the afternoon into the evening. And the beauty of it was, and this is what I really wanted to see, was the dish itself has a built-in heater to melt the snow off. And it even shows you the wattage that your dish is using. Normally it's probably like around 30, 35 watts. But then when it's detecting snow, it ramps up to maybe 130, 160 watts. And I never even had to touch the dish itself. It completely kept that dish clean, as you can see in this time lapse. In extreme cold, you can enable snow melt mode, or it'll enable itself so that the app will auto heat it. It uses a little more power, but it just keeps everything working real nicely. So there you have it, my DIY Starlink installation. Conquered that 6-inch snow dump without a problem. If you're battling slower internet in winter wonderlands, Starlink can handle it, or at least it is in my particular case. If this helped, be sure and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications for more home DIY content. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, even if it's in the snow. See you next time.